Hello YouTube, I'm just wanting to show you a simple mod that I've done for my Mark 4 GTI. Pretty much my car currently has an ASR installed into it, and well, you all know what the ASR is for, but what I ended up doing was I ended up putting an ESP button. Not using it for any traction control or anything, but I'm actually using it for my engine push to start. Previously I had installed a kit bought from TM Tuning, and with the switch, you pretty much the only thing you did was turn the key, and then I driving a manual, so all you had to do was just put the clutch in and then just push the button to start. So what I ended up doing, thought I'd come up with a crazy idea about running a stock switch, an ESP switch, so I can do a push to start, experimented trial and error, and it worked. As you can see, I'm no longer using my button, so it's just sitting there for looks until I decide what I'm going to do with it. One that I ended up doing with the 12 volt power wire was run it through the back. I'm keeping it back there currently. I have an adapter for it, so I can connect a couple wires back there. So what I ended up doing was I ran that wire back there, and since me and my wife use iPhones, I ended up running a wire for an iPod connection, so it's tucked in all times, and then also for my navigation. So that's just another idea. If you guys ever want to do that, as you can see, I mean, my stereo, you just have to remove the stereo. But I'm just going to show you the video. Pretty much, if you already have that push to start button, all you really need is just to buy a ESP button, which you can look on the VW Vortex. I bought mine for 12 bucks in pretty good condition. And then just some just female connectors so you can tap into the pins. So pretty much what I'm going to show you is instead of running it through the push to start there, my car will start with just the ESP button. So you stick the key into the ignition. Obviously you're going to turn the key. All your accessories are on. I'm going to press the clutch and press the ESP button, and it's on. And then I tapped into the illumination wires. You can either use the vents. I installed Jetta vents on my car. Before it was just the cheapy vents with no lighted, so there's a lot of wiring back there, so you gotta tuck it in. And what I'm doing is just tapping into the illumination wire, and I can turn on all my lights. That's pretty much it. So it was a pretty easy mod once you have if you guys have this push to start button set up. If you don't, you don't have to buy a kit. You just buy wires, just pretty much just basic connections. It'll probably cost you 20 bucks to do this. So it's just a quick little simple mod I just wanted to show you guys.